additive manufacturing, AM, 3D printing, rapid prototyping, all the same. That is a technology where part is created layer by layer.
Currently, more and more additive manufacturing technologies are emerging, and the ones we are using the most at the moment are getting used wider and wider in the area.
There are many technologies inside additive manufacturing, and material can basically be anything. For example, concrete or human tissue even. But right now our main focus is on plastics and different metal materials.
So basically you could design a part here in Finland and then you can sell it to the USA, but instead of sending a physical part you can only send the digital file and they will manufacture it over there. In the consumer products, we can see that the first tailored products are hitting the markets at the moment. And in the industry, we can see that early adopters who have been using this for very long are being followed by other companies from pretty much all the areas of the industry.
Originally, this bracket was machined from big block of metal. Then our customer understood all possibilities of 3D printing, and they started to print this part because it was more cost efficient.
The production changes because we can make truly customized products for masses. And also, when we make things with additive manufacturing, the assembly times are much less because we can consolidate many parts into one. And that also leads to reduced storage space. Because we are a big engineering company, we have expertise in many areas like mechanical engineering, electrical, structural analysis and so on. And we can combine all of these very easily within our company. And in additive manufacturing you need to utilize all of these areas to make those great new innovative products. So that is what we do best. Etteplan aims to be #1 expert in additive manufacturing and optimization in the Nordic countries by 2020. And by expert we mean that we want to be expert in designing for additive manufacturing.